Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to add different time zones to your Outlook account. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are doing some multiple time zones here in Outlook, and what we're going to do is straight from this interface, we're going to go up to the top right hand side and click on the gear icon, which will bring us to settings. Now this is the web browser version, okay? So I'm using the Microsoft 365 and I've just opened Outlook. Now if you're using your app, you can pretty much do the same thing. The layout will just look slightly different. So you're going to come over here. On the left hand side you'll have a few options: account, general, mail. Okay, so we're going to look for general. Once we're in general, right at the top you'll see language and time, and over here you will see a bunch of options including time format and then time zone. Let's go and click on change over here by time zone. So you can actually change your current time zone over here, which is the very top section, and then as you go down here you'll see add time zone. So here you can literally add the time zone. All you need to do is search for the time zone, the city that you're in, and then add a label. You can also have it show in your calendar or not, and once you are done, then you'll be able to see your new time zone that has been added right over here. So you'd have to then exit and then just refresh your page and you'll have your multiple time zones displayed. I hope this was helpful.